If you like the drop, stick around because I'm going to show you how to get that Flozone vibe. Let's break it down step by step and let me know in the comments which artist I should cover next. The BPM for this project is 140. I'm going to start with the drums, then going into the synths, and finally the fills. So the drums sound like this. And they consist of a kick drum, 2 snares layered. This is the first one, then this other one, and both of them together sound like this. Then you have this ride sample and this hi-hat. For this specific track, the top drums are playing a huge part in the energy of the track. If I mute this too, you'll notice how empty this feels. Versus if I enable this. So yeah, pretty important to have the riding hi-hat in here, following that pattern. Now going into the synths, I have first of all my sidechain already in here. I'm just doing a little volume automation with my sidechain rack, so that every time that the kick or the snare is hitting, I'm ducking everything. And also I have my usual reverb throw rack in some little sections like in here and here at the end. And that's just creating like some swell effects just to help with the flow of each section. Alright, so now going into the specific sounds, the first one that you hear is this one. And that's being played at the same time as this sub. For this sub, what I'm using is my sub rack, which has a lot of presets and just knobs for you to tweak stuff out. And then this bass, I'm going to show you how I created that. So it's actually pretty simple. This one started with a square wave. So basic shapes, position 5, volume all the way up. And the key of this sound is using a bandpass filter. If you use a different type of filter, it's not gonna sound the same. So I'm using a bandpass filter with a lot of resonance, 52%, and I'm modulating the cutoff with this LFO that looks like this. Retrigger mode 1/8. These values. And that sounds like that. You can play with the frequency of the filter, which I actually did. I'm going to show you that later on. But yeah, if you play with the filter cutoff knob, you will get different type of sounds. But that's pretty much how that sound is made. Now, what is left is just adding some extra post-processing like tube distortion, then compression, outside of the patch, some erosion, some saturation, medium curve, 4 dBs of drive, just the settings. And then I have this EQ, cutting everything below 200 just because the sub is covering for that portion. So I don't want those elements to clash. And yeah, that part sounds like this. Now I did like this little like fill type stuff just by taking the LFO and the cutoff knob and automating that. So as you can see in here, the LFO is going from 1/8 to 1/16 in this part, and the filter is slowly rising. So that's why you get like that kind of like rising sound effect. I can do this more noticeable. And the second time around, I did it once again, just with slightly different values. So starting in a lower frequency, basically. So that's how you get that sound. Pretty simple, as I said. Then I created like a variation of that same sound, which plays on the second half of the drop. It sounds like this. So I'm using the same sub, using the same fill in the middle, but this sound changed. So I'm gonna show you what's different. It's the exact same patch, as you can see, square wave, bandpass, same effects, but the LFO, it's looking like this. And the rate is half of a bar, as you can see in here. I'm pretty sure that what I did was like, was it flip horizontally or flip vertically? I think something like that. But anyways, it's just this shape and this rate, and that just creates that sound. And once again, you can play with the cutoff and get different tonalities out of that. Now the next sound is this Yoi Basses that you hear like in here. And this section is just as little fillers. And these are actually part of my presets from Patreon. So if you get the project, you get the presets as well. So yeah, if you want to play around with this drop, I uploaded the full Ableton project into my Patreon. That's where I post every project from these breakdown videos. Link is in the description if you want to grab it. You will obviously also get the sub-rack that I had in here. So yeah, I'm not gonna go through those because those are part of just my Patreon presets. But this one, after that, I enabled sync, and synced, and the value of sync is 1.86%, and the warping is all the way up. Then I have this noise from this specific noise sample, level 7%. Then I have distortion, sine shaper with these values in here. Single band compression, pretty important. Then hyper dimension, just making things a little bit wider. Utility, making stuff mono, below 300 hertz. And this EQ, which is cutting the low end, because if I go back in here, I'm going to enable oscillator B, which it's a sine wave, but I just draw this second harmonic. And this one is going directly out and to the first bus, which means that also bus 1, I put it directly out. So if I go to the bus 1, you'll notice I put some soft clipping, distortion, and some EQ in here. So basically, oscillator B is being the sub bass of the sound, and then oscillator A is the main sound that you hear, like the mid bass. So that's how it sounds the first time around. I also enabled this EQ, just shaping the sound a little bit more. And in the second time around, I enabled this redux with these values, just to create a little bit of a variation of the texture and a little bit more like gritty sound. Yeah, then this little like womp samples that I have in here are part of my preset packs on Patreon. And lastly, that's for the synths. Now going into the fills, I have this chant with some delay. It also helps a lot with the energy of the track. Then I have some reverse crashes like that. and then some crashes, and then just the pre-drop vocal. And actually, if you like this drop, I really think you would love my richer finger tutorial. I break down similar sounds like this, so tap the video on screen if you want to watch it, and I'll see you there.
Go, 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 go.